Alright, so I pulled all of my corn up, and this is what happens when you do not keep your corn sprayed, or even spray your corn. As you see, this was the Sugar Queen. Just in there munching away. Just in there munching away. So this was one of them. There was actually another one at the top, and they just lay a little egg. They just burrow a little hole in your corn in the top, and then their larvae, the babies, they just grow as they continue to eat your corn. So although it actually filled out pretty nicely, a few spots, but from this side it looks pretty good. Just I didn't spray it. So anyway, lesson learned. So unfortunately all of them were like that. Got a whole bag full. All of them were like that. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Squash bugs hiding up in there. So I already know this one's not gonna be any good. And it's soft. So I ain't gonna open that one up. But yeah. Pulled out all the corn over there. And the 3 that I started indoors and transplanted out here, pulled those up too. So sweet potato vines doing good back there. Cherry tomatoes taking over. Just beautiful clusters just all over the place. All back there. Borage finally flowered. Okra flowering. Show you these here. Nice sized tomatoes in there.